once it's finally completed. Close your eyes and
so how many kilometers?
15 completed.
This is 15 kilometers. Why do you have to tell us?
Here we brought you to see the section that I've been completed, so that you can see how the contractor is very capable. And also we are trying to send a message that we are tuned into the vision of our president, which is to promote the local content. We are indigenous contractors, so we represent the indigenous contractor. If we prove ourselves well, it will give more advantage to all the indigenous contractors. So we can't afford to fail in this project. So we are trying all our best not to compromise the quality and also to work within the timeline.
But are you also employing locals to be part of what you're doing?
The locals are taking a larger percentage here, and also you will see we have a direct employment, and by deploying our service we are also having indirect employment. Some people are supplying us the material we need, which are from around, and we have the workers that we source from the locality here.